Who's a good boy?
Welcome back. In this video we're going to make this bull out of Super Sculpy Medium polymer clay. To get started we will need to make an armature. I used heavy gauge wire wrapped with finer wire and eventually bulk it up with the heavy duty aluminum foil. Then we reinforce the aluminum foil by wrapping a finer wire around the aluminum foil. The clay needs to be conditioned to soften it before being used. A pasta maker is used for this purpose. At this point, the polymer clay is applied to the armature, and it's just a matter of checking your reference to decide how much clay to add. Being new to polymer clay sculpting, I am using a tool made for starter wax sculpting set that I purchased from Amazon. Super Sculpy polymer clay can be baked several times with no ill effects, so we can bake the more delicate parts like the horns and the eyes before attaching them to the unbaked clay with a product called Bake and Bond. Once the basic form is in place, more clay is added to flesh out the detail. A ball stylus tool is used for blending the new clay to the sculpture. Also, a piece of plastic is sometimes laid on the sculpt and detailed lines are added through the plastic. This makes the line work much smoother. Once the sculpt is baked, we spray it with a silver paint from a rattle can and then use washes of black acrylic paint to achieve the desired result. Thanks for watching.